Hey y'all, well, I started off trying to tell you about my new Erin Condren Life Planner, and I ended up going into a Bible study. So that must have been the will of the Lord. But I am still going to go through. I got this in the mail. Oh, it's got a hole in the bottom. I hope it wasn't hurt. I hope you aren't hurt. It's always got a good presentation. I haven't gotten it out, but I did start to. So you see, I tore the um, the tissue paper, and I thought, no, I'm going to wait. So, alright, they got a little puffer to make sure that it's okay, and I got a real pretty, I usually do bright colors, all kinds of funky stuff. I did a real, I did like a pattern that is like an old-fashioned piece of material, like toile, only it's colorful, and it's got kind of pinks and soft greens and soft yellows and little gold specks, and that's kind of this room now. It's white with pink, pale pink. So I put it on here, 2026-27 Bible Study Planner. It's for my YouTube, planning on what I'm going to do on YouTube, and specifically Bible Planner. Because I already have, I will tell you, already have in this little notebook that I found the pen. Y'all are so excited to find this pen. It's so cute. It matches exactly. But this is where I've started making a record of exactly what am I going to be covering. What are some of the things? And as y'all tell me things, one of y'all said Bible Studies and Devotions. I was going to do that over on Beth Buchanan Pure Bible, but a number of you have said you want that. And if that's what you want, and those of you who don't, please don't go away. Please give it a shot. Just listen. And it won't be all that I do on this channel. And for those of you who want that more, then do go over to Pure Bible, because that is one of the things, it's Pure Bible, it's nothing else. That is one of the things that I am going to be writing in here, is what are the subjects going to be. Literally just talking about when we just did that Bible study in this Bible, we talked about several things that I know could make a Bible study straight off that. I mean, you could take one line of the Bible and make an in-depth Bible study off it. So anyway, so the first thing I'm noticing about this, besides the fact that they got what I wanted on there right. Normally I would put my name on there, but this is 2026-27 Bible Study Planner. So we may do some scripture writing, which I love to do. And we may, where you just literally write it out on camera. I'll be duping it down to my desk and we'll just write together. But there's just all kind of things that we can do. So that's going to be like, I'll be prayerful about it. Please make comments below. What types of Bible studies would you like? So that as I do this, I will be going along. Some people have said go over the different Bible translations. Others have said, what are the different kinds of study helps in different Bibles? Usually it has to do with who the author of that Bible is. Like some people will do their own Bible and they'll pick a translation, work with the editor on that, and then they'll get a separate editor, usually, I think, to put in some of their studies. They're usually people who have that kind of thing, like Max Lucado. That was the first study help Bible I ever had, was Max Lucado's, because he puts his inspirational writings on the side and then cites the scriptures where you find it. I absolutely fell in love with that. So anyway, just let me know that, or what are certain Bible study tools, how we talked about school supplies, that you would share that are your best things, so that you don't go overboard spending, because you sure can. But anyway, so the first thing that I saw was this little, I started to say protractor, but it kind of is a little plastic protractor. It's got little shapes and stuff to use that you could literally put on the page. Do you see what those are? Those little boxes, a little highlight, a little check mark, check offs. So this is something you could do so that you don't have to buy any stickers at all. Because yes, it is people's business when they make stickers. I've noticed a lot of them are getting to be printable, so that means you get sticker paper, put it in your printer, but then you have to cut it all out. To me, I like that they do, and that it's a cohesive little group sometime, or at least what I'm going to be doing is putting on the top of each month just a pretty sticker. So I may not do a full sticker thing because the kits can get like $14. Well, if you did that 4 weeks a month, because this is weekly, that gets expensive. So this I like because you obviously can just make your own by just using these, just maybe using different color markers or pencils, and making your little checklist or this, and make it colorful and pretty by that, or just some other little stickers. We'll see about that. This also has a ruler on it, I'm noticing, so that's good, just to measure things and also just to keep straight lines, and that you can keep this in your Bible. You can do it as your day thing. I don't think, yeah, it does. So this sticks up. So the good thing, see how that's a tab? So that sticks up. So you can use that as your today marker. So I'm starting in July. We'll be starting this on July 1st. 1st of July. Well, these aren't numbered. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh. Wait a minute. Am I in June? It is. That's why. It's because the 1st of July is on the same week as the last 2 days of June. So it starts off June. But I'm going to go ahead and this just clips right in. And I'm not going to take time well, it's not taking that much time. Just, you put the bottom one in and then just go, bing, bing, bing. There we go. Now, hear all those? That's almost like popping these bubbles. Ooh, sorry. This is better. Okay. All right, so those are in, and now it is a day marker, so that when you close this, make sure it's on there good, it sticks up, so you know right where you're at. So what do you get in here? Well, you can always go and look. I'll definitely put a link to this below, but this is a thicker one than usual. So if you started adding sticker pages, this one that would be sticking up like that. But it's because I did a whole year to year, like not just from now to the end of the year, but from now to the end of next year. Not even a year out, but like a year and a half out. So it's really thick. The other thing I like, I'm going to say right off the bat, I love that they have, and this is like a coated piece of paper or cardboard in pretty pink, places little pockets to put things. I love that. And then here is a little mark board for those erasable markers. You know how you have a pen and you write on it, and then on the end of it, it has a little thing that you erase it. There's that. Matter of fact, I wonder if that's in here. And then also it's got some extra stickers for tabs and extra writing pages. Oh my goodness. It's also got its own stickers, so you don't have to go if you don't want to. And it says things like goal, dinner plans, grocery shopping, this is important, little paycheck signs, a little dollar, or if you just spent something on a lot of money that you want to highlight. Well, I purchased my new laptop computer, and I marked that because I'm trying to watch what I'm spending. And then there's some more fun little stickers in here, like happy birthday. It's got little cakes, and it's got other kinds of little stickers in here, so that's good. And then I think I saw, yes, just ruled paper. This is so important when you just need to take some notes. Who knows, this may turn into my regular day planner. And really, should it be that separate? Okay, there's a notes tab. Okay, and that's the end of December. Okay. Okay, so what else did I order? Let's see. I ordered this little productivity. I forgot what this is. Oh, you know what? This looks like a welcome gift. I did order some things, though. Hold on, let me just see what this is. I don't even know what this is. Let's just see. I hate that when you open these, they're sticky, so it's hard to get whatever's out. So I fold it over, so it won't keep trying to stick on what you're pulling out. All right. Productivity. Oh, this is just a card. Oh, it came with a pen, so that's nice. I wonder if this is that kind. Oh, see how I think it is that kind of marker for that back page. They just coated it in plastic, or I don't know what they coated in. Yeah, and then there's a little fine point. I think that probably does go to that. Let me see. Aw, some little postcards to send to friends. Productivity is power. Oh, 20% off your next order, which, you know, hold on to that because you might be ordering other things. So what else did I get? Let's get it all out. I ordered grocery list bookmarks. They're so pretty. They're pink. I'm really into pink again, y'all. Are they stick-ems? Yes, they stick. So you can put this on the far right side of your week, and all week when you're thinking about things you need to go get at the grocery store, that will be handy. So that will go in my drawer. Some of these are going to go in the drawer. What's this? Stop and stick and celebrate the things. Surprise, we've included a free set of functional sticky notes in your order because the smallest things can have the biggest impact. The Erin Condren team. Well, let me see what you're talking about, because I actually ordered and paid for that. It may have been, well, let's just keep going. Is it this? I think I ordered this, the Universal Snap-In Sticky Notes. And so, oh, I see what it is. No, they gave me the grocery list. That was the freebie. Because I ordered this, and this comes with the little Snap-In clear page, and then you just stick this on that. So that you'll always have it kind of in your notebook, like you put this in your notebook, like probably a good place to put it would be in the front of your notebook. Where's my trusty scissors, my fancy gold and clear. I bet this didn't need that. It didn't. There it is. You don't always need to cut everything.